SITE Group has been consolidating its presence in the Russian markets for over 10 years. Many induction machines are already available on Russian territory in many companies. Also from our brand MED, who's dealing with the tubes and pipes applications. In this exhibition in Moscow we are meeting new customers and chatting with the customers we already have. We are delivering machines in these very days in Russia, and we see it as a very promising market for our future. SITE Group is famous for very specialized and customized application. We struggle to find a very demanding process from our customers, because we like to approach every single project as a new one. So we have no catalog of machines, and we customize every machine on special request from the customers. I think that numbers of the exhibition are very promising for us. We have been discussing very interesting prospects for the future, and I hope I'll be back in a few months just to deepen details with our customers and provide new technical solutions.